If there is one product that is the most misunderstood among all solar products, I think it is DTU. I don't remember how many times it was regarded as a Wi-Fi router, and I even got questioned about why it can't be replaced by a router. Yes, they may be similar in appearance, but if you really understand gateway products, you will be sure that they are not the same thing at all. Let me explain what a DTU is and how it does its job, as well as a frequently asked question: why not integrate DTU with microinverters to reduce installation steps and costs? DTU is short for Data Transfer Unit. As the name implies, it is a product that transfers data. It collects and summarizes the working information and power generation data of the microinverter, and then sends the data to Hoymiles monitoring platform. Therefore, we can see the detailed operation status of the microinverter on the monitoring platform Hoymiles cloud, and make remote control of the microinverter in time. In addition, in case the system fails, the data on the monitoring platform can help you spot which module goes wrong. Given the nature of the DTU, it features two aspects of communication. One is the communication with the microinverter, and the other is the communication with the monitoring platform. There are two ways to communicate with the microinverter: 2.4 GHz and sub-1 G. 2.4 GHz is the most commonly used wireless communication mode for home appliances. It is well adapted to various conditions. Our DTU Pro and DTU Lite use this communication mode. Sub-1 G is used by the new DTU Pro S and DTU Lite S, and the data transmission is more stable and has a wider range. There are also three ways of communication with the monitoring platform: fixed network port, Wi-Fi, and 4G. That is why we have prepared DTU with different interfaces to meet the different needs of our customers. If there is no such thing as DTU or similar gateway product, that is, if the microinverter communicates directly with the monitoring platform, then the only way to realize such communication would be to integrate the communication module into the microinverter. Microinverters with built-in Wi-Fi communication module have poor communication with the router, so the Wi-Fi connection can be unstable, and when they are placed on the roof, it will be difficult for them to communicate stably with the router placed indoor. What's more, for the built-in communication module to work, there must be an external antenna. The external antenna tends to reduce the water resistance capability of the microinverter, so the risk of water ingress inside the microinverter will increase. The other thing is that the temperature of the working microinverter is higher than the communication module, so the communication module is more susceptible to damage. Whenever it is damaged, the microinverter must be disassembled and repaired, which can greatly shorten the lifespan of the microinverter. Therefore, DTU is necessary. Now that we know why there should be gateway products such as DTU in the first place, then what should we pay attention to when choosing one? Please follow me for the next video.